It's that time of the year again when people start writing down their new year resolution goals. What if we could help people achieve these goals and make money off it? So I'm going to show you how to do just that in this video. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing we want to do is quite obvious. We want to get ideas of the type of New Year resolutions people are interested in. So all you need to do is to go over to Google and type in Chat GPT, and it's going to bring you to this page. All you just need to do from here is to come over to this chat section and you want to type in keywords like this. Give me top 10 New Year resolution goals. Okay, you can change this 10 to any number you want. All right, so once you do this, then you want to click on send message. And as you can see, ChatGPT has given us a list of New Year resolutions most people are interested in. As you can see right here, people getting healthy, losing weight, and getting fit. You can see a lot of people want to learn something new, and so many people also want to make money and save money as well. A lot of people want to travel to other countries and all that. Okay, so all you need to do from here is to pick any niche of your choice from this list. So I'm going to take save money as an example right here. So all I need to do is to copy this keyword, and you want to go over to Google. So once you come over to Google, you want to type in this search string, and you want to make sure you want to replace this keyword with whatever niche you're working with. And just like I said, I'm going to be taking save money as an example. So once you do this, all you need to do is to click on search. And if you do this, it's going to show you questions on Quora that are getting only one answers. All right, so what you want to do from here is to then come over to this section that says tools. Okay, so once you come over to tools, you want to change this from anytime, and as you can see, you can filter to questions that are being asked on Quora in the last hour, in the last 24 hours, in the past week, past month, and all that. So I'm going to take the past month here as an example. So if I click on this, you're going to see a lot of questions people are asking on how to save money. As you can see, these questions are from the past month. As you can see right here, these questions are from December 2023. You can see this one as well. All right, you can even see more questions. You can see this one from 16th of December that says how to save money on Binance. And as you can see, it has only one answer. So this is why we are going to be taking advantage of using this string and using Quora to make money. So the next step is to go over to trends.pinterest.com. And the reason we are doing this is because we want to actually be sure that this keyword is getting a lot of traffic right now. So all you need to do is to then come over to this search section and you want to type in the keyword again. So once you type in the keyword, like we said, save money, as you can see right here, this keyword is getting a lot of traffic right now. As you can see, the curve is pointing upward, which tells you that it's getting a lot of traffic right now. The next step is to go over to Digistore24.com to pick an affiliate product suitable for this niche. And if you don't have an account, it's very easy. All you simply need to do is to go over to Digistore24.com and you want to click on the register now button to create an account. So once you create your account, you want to basically click on the marketplace, and here it's going to show you all the products that are available on Digistore24. So once you do that, you can come over to the search section and you can type in keyword related to that niche, like making money and saving money and all that. You're going to see a lot of affiliate products that you can basically promote and make money. So another way of finding products is by basically clicking on the digital product section, and you want to look for the category that is related to that niche. An example is the internet marketing and e-business. So once you click on this, you're going to see a lot of products right here that might be suitable for that niche. All right, so an example of a suitable product is this one right here, which says Millionaire's Secret. So you want to then click on this sales page. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to the sales page of this product, and you want to make sure everything on the sales page looks good and it's a product that is going to convert. Okay, so once you do this, then you want to basically click on the promote now button. So once you do that, then all you need to do from here is to click on copy promo link, and as you can see, you're going to earn $14 for anyone who purchase this product using your affiliate link. Then once you do that, the next step is to create a very simple one-page landing page like this on Google Sites, or you can use any other landing page builder of your choice. Just as you can see right here, this is a very simple landing page. And once people come over to this page and they click on this Get Access Now button, it's going to redirect them to this affiliate page. And once they come over to this page and they purchase this product, you will be making $14 for every sale. So once you have your landing page ready, the next step is to then go back to Google and you want to start answering these questions. So all you then need to do from here is to copy this question. And once you copy the question, you want to then go back to ChatGPT and paste in that question right there, and you want to click on send. All you then need to do from here is to simply copy this answer provided to you by ChatGPT, and you want to click on this button. So once you copy that answer, then you want to click on this answer button, and once you do this, this is where you want to answer this question by pasting in the answer already provided to you by ChatGPT. So once you do this, then you want to type in something captivating like this at the top of the text. Learn the secrets millionaires use to make enough money, which enables them save thousands of dollars every month. So once you do this, then you want to come over to this font and you want to give this a bold. So once you give this a bold, then you want to click on this link button, then you want to go back and copy your landing page link. So once you copy the landing page link, all you need to do is to plug in the landing page link right here, and you want to click on add. So once you do this, then you want to also duplicate this call to action by copying this. You want to also paste it a few places around the answer like this. And as you can see, it's going to show people a preview of the landing page which says Millionaire Secrets right here. And once you do this, this is all you need to do, and you want to click on post. So once you do that, as you can see, this answer went through without having any issues with Quora. Okay, so now you can see right here, this answer has successfully been pasted onto this question without any problem. And as you can see, it's going to show people a preview of the landing page. And once people are getting this answer, they click on the landing page, it's going to bring them here, and if they click on this Get Access Now button, they will then be brought to this affiliate product page. So it's a very simple strategy any beginner can use to make money on Quora. Now you want to go back to Google and you want to make sure to answer all of these other questions as well. And this is not going to take you more than 1 hour to answer all of these questions. And like I said, you can use the same landing page for all of these answers. All you need to do is to copy the question and have ChatGPT provide you the answer. It's that simple, okay? Another bonus strategy you can use to make even more money is by coming over to Pinterest. And as you can see, just as I showed previously in the video, this keyword is getting a lot of traffic right now. All you need to do is to get ideas from these popular pins, and you want to go over to Canva and you want to make a similar pin. Okay, so once you make the pins, all you then need to do is to upload those pins on your Pinterest account, and you want to link them back to your landing page. So this is a very simple strategy, or you can simply download these pins and you can re-upload them and give these people credit. So once you either create your own pin using canva.com, or you decided to copy other people's pin and you want to make sure to give them credit as well. All right, whichever one you decide to go with is absolutely fine. You want to then make sure to upload the pin, and you want to type in a very captivating title like this: Steal This Millionaire's Secret Guide to Making and Saving Money. All right, so once you do this and you are going to see this link section, this is where you want to add in your landing page. So once you do this, this is all you need to do, and you want to simply click on publish. So you want to do this for as many pins as possible, and we already know this pin is getting a lot of traffic right now, and that way you are more likely to get free organic traffic and make sales.